All right, then. There's my little butterflies purchased with my blood. All of these things the Holy Spirit led me to. Proud of you, little butterflies. I love you.